I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD and bonjour. I am here in Paris, okay? Now, I was going and putting this video together, and I thought I really needed to put a voice track to this video. And so here I am. This particular shoot was in Miami, and I had my light stand fail on me during this shoot. What happened was I was going for the good old off-camera flash. One of the screws fell out of my flash, so I was unable to maintain the position of the flashlight. It would kind of sway towards the gradient of the beach, and so what that meant was I was unable to get different compositions within this location to get various looks for this particular shoot. So once I realized that I had this limitation with this photo shoot, my ultimate goal was to start going and try to get 3 usable shots. So I want you to check out this footage. Let me know if you think I have 3 usable shots. T to the M to the IDD. Peace. And it did just start to rain. So let me go get this camera, y'all. All right, so we got me and Tiffany trying to be low key on the GoPro. All right, so we got this outfit. Boom, boom, boom.
Without the shirt.
Without the shirt, but we're gonna get it. We got this nice little island type vibe, as you can see. We got another look that we gotta do, so we're gonna get these shots very quickly. You ready? Okay. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Let me see something. Let me check it. Yeah, I like it. You want to come right here? I gotta adjust this.
I can't see.
You can't see?
No, like it is. I look fucking mad. I don't really like the hairstyle with it.
You don't like the hairstyle? What would you?
Let's see if should I take out the bun?
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let me see. All right, let's see if you stand up. And I want kind of got your see. oh yeah, it's about to come now. Let's see if we turn your back fully your back like this. Stand the same way I'm standing with your back like that. Yeah. And then because what I want to try to do is I want to try to get the sun from out of your face. Okay. Yeah. So you could do that and maybe stand right there. Yeah, and in between that. Yeah, just like over top of them, on the other side of them. One more over. Yeah, and then turn your back. Let me see. And this is just gonna be like a 3/4 body shot. All right, let me see. I'm gonna test the light. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I mean I like it, but my good and your good is 2 different goods. So I'll take it and then let you see it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Steady enough to let me get something. Alright, boom. Here we go. We got this right here. That John knew I was coming right there. Yeah.
Like this or like this?
It's gonna be a prop.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know if we could rip this off. Yeah, there we go. Strong. She's strong.
Oh. Are you want me to pose with this?
Yeah. I'm gonna get that. Yeah. You can hold it like this. But with this, yeah. Oh, that's nice right there. All right, let's see. Yeah, I like that. And I'm gonna get a full body.
Hold on.
Across the other leg. Yeah, and just, yeah, right there. Boom, 1, 2. All right. Come on and relax. One, 2, 3. All right. I want that left hand. Yeah, I need to be able to see it.
What?
I said I need to be able to see it. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Let me check it. I said, let me check it. Can you bring your legs in a little bit? Yeah. Boom, perfect, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Boom. All right, now grab the, yeah. Boom. There you go. Boom, grab it with 2 hands. Boom. All right, now turn and sit on your butt. Uh-huh. Boom. Yeah, and then just look at me like this. No, you could sit it down. Yeah. 1, 2.
So faceless.